Hey there, health enthusiasts! Have you heard about the magic elixir that's been making waves in the natural health community? Today, we're diving into the world of apple cider vinegar, often lovingly called ACV. Let's explore why you should be drinking this golden potion daily. First off, what is apple cider vinegar? Simply put, it's fermented apple juice. The fermentation process enriches it with probiotics and enzymes, giving ACV its distinctive tang and numerous health benefits. Benefit number 1, it aids digestion. The natural acidity of ACV helps balance your stomach pH, leading to smoother digestion and less bloating. Second, it can help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that a small dose of ACV before meals can improve insulin sensitivity, making it fantastic for managing diabetes or prediabetes. Third, ACV is a powerful detoxifier. It helps flush out toxins and supports liver function, giving your body a natural cleanse. Fourth, it may support weight loss. ACV can increase feelings of fullness and reduce calorie intake, making it easier to shed those extra pounds. Fifth, it promotes heart health. ACV can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which are key factors in maintaining a healthy heart. Sixth, it boosts skin health. Its antibacterial properties can help clear up acne and give your skin a natural glow. Seventh, it strengthens your immune system. The probiotics in ACV enhance your gut health, which is closely linked to a robust immune response. Eighth, it can improve hair health. A diluted ACV rinse can leave your hair shiny and dandruff-free. Ninth, it soothes sore throats. Gargling with ACV can kill bacteria and alleviate throat pain. And finally, number 10, it can help with bad breath. The acidic nature of ACV can reduce bacteria in your mouth, leaving you with fresher breath. So there you have it. 10 amazing reasons to include apple cider vinegar in your daily routine. Remember, a little goes a long way. Start with a teaspoon diluted in water and see how your body responds. Cheers to natural health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more natural health tips.